In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an individual product page on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to update product details, add new elements, or simply refresh the look and feel of your site, these steps will guide you through the process with clarity and ease. So, let's dive right in. First, the journey begins by going to the Wix website editor. If you haven't done so already, log into your Wix account and navigate to the editor. This is your workspace where you'll be making all the changes to your website, so familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools if it's your first time. Once you're in the editor, your next step is to switch pages. You'll notice an arrow down button. Go ahead and click on it. This allows you to select the specific page you want to work on, in this case, your individual product page. The ability to seamlessly switch between pages ensures you're editing the correct section of your site without any confusion. After selecting your desired page, you need to click on the product page. This is crucial as it takes you directly to the area you intend to edit. The product page displays all the items you're selling, and it's here where you'll make targeted changes to enhance the shopping experience for your visitors. Next, let's move on to adding new elements. Look for the option to Add Elements on the left-hand side of the editor. Clicking on this will open a menu with a variety of options like text, media, and buttons that you can incorporate into your page. These elements are key in customizing and enriching the content of your website to better catch the eye of potential customers. Now, to make more comprehensive changes, you can also click on Add Section. This feature allows you to add entire sections to your page, such as testimonials, image galleries, or contact forms. By strategically placing these sections, you not only boost the aesthetics of your page, but also improve its functionality and user engagement. Moreover, for those who want to take customization a notch higher, click on Site Design. This option provides an array of design tools for refining the visual aspects of your site. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to align your page with your branding and create a more cohesive and attractive user experience. If you're seeking additional features, click on Add Apps. The Wix App Market offers a selection of apps to extend your site's capabilities, from social media integrations to booking systems. Adding apps can significantly enhance both your website's functionality and your visitors' experience. Finally, to emphasize specific parts of your page, use the Highlight function. Clicking on Highlight can make particular products or information stand out, ensuring they catch the attention of your visitors. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to editing an individual product page on a Wix website. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and customize your site to better meet your goals and delight your audience. Don't hesitate to experiment with different elements and designs, as this is your platform to showcase your products in the best possible light.